when do you sleep is more important than how long you sleep. It's the beginning for you starting to heal yourself. If you want to get better, if you want to get rid of your symptoms, if you want to have a strong immunity, and if you want to get, have less gray hairs, you need sleeping earlier. In traditional Chinese medicine, we think human and nature are one. So when nature are sleeping, human needs to sleep too. Our body was designed by this way. It's the same like the tree, like the plants. So when the nature is getting dark, and our body is also prepared to sleep. So follow the meridian clock, the qi movement during the 24 hours. The time from 11 to 1 is the time for gallbladder, liver detoxing time. So at least you need to sleep before 11. So starting from 11 to 1 is the time for our body to detoxing, get rid of the bad stuff from our body. And also when our lie down on the bed, our blood refresh. It's the liver help our blood purify it. Also help our regain the energy time. So after that, actually, the toxins are difficult to get out of your body. Also, you found out those people who have liver function weakness, then or maybe those people like drunk people, if they sleep late, the next day they feel more irritable, more angry, or emotionally swing. That's because the liver couldn't have good rest the previous evening. And also right now many people sleeping after midnight, and they drink coffee or help them to stay up late. Those this hurt you yang qi, also hurt your kidney in sense. What make you have the energy to continue work, continue study, continue do whatever you need to do? It's not from the coffee, it's from your kidney in sense. And that's the foundation of your life. That's the source from your life. It's the battery of your life. It's like you get the money from the bank, and those money should be used when you're getting older, but you take them, and use them right now. So that's also the reason many young people also starting to have the gray hair, because that's a kidney essence already be used too much. Another thing, if you stay late, sleeping late, it's also hurt your yang qi. So follow the nature rhyme. When the morning time is the yang qi, rise time, and when it's getting dark, is the yin getting strong, and our body is preparing for sleeping. Actually, from 9 to 11, that's the time for our triple burning meridian. And before that, 7 to 9 is our pericardial meridian, the qi, working time. So that's the time as the pericardial meridian is help our heart functions, is protect our heart functions. So if we are, suppose naturally after 7 it's getting dark, our body is prepared for have a rest. And triple meridian is also help our whole body functions, help our restore our energies, rebalance. And so during those time and in the evening, we are still working and still doing things, that's actually our body cannot get good health. And our heart functions, if anything attacked heart, previously they attacked the pericardium. It's the pericardium is the one up, the close, cover the heart. So anything attack the heart, attack the pericardium first. So 7 to 9 is the pericardial meridian working time, and 9 to 11 is our triple meridian working time, is prepare our body. And the best time for sleeping is 9-10 p.m. That's follow the nature rhyme. So when nature is sleeping, we're sleeping. But right now, at least you sleep before 11. So that's the foundation for you, like the first step for you can starting, like put your health on the right track, to get you starting the good circle, the energy circle, and use the nature. So nature is this way, we rhyme with nature. And if we against the nature's like a circle, like the rhyme, actually we use our yang qi, we use our energy to fight with nature. Then you are getting, your immunity is getting down, and you're getting older, quicker, and gray hair, like and also your emotion also have a problem. Like right now, it's much more people have the stress, depressing, anxiety, much more than 30 years ago, and much more than our grandparents' generations. That's because stay late the hurt your liver functions, make your liver function all weak, and the emotion your swings, and so this for details, right? I write details about this in the website. I put the link under the video, so you can read the article with more details on the website.